You're watching Olsen Spec.
This is a 1981 Porsche 911 SC. And what's unique about it is that this one right now is for sale. That's right, we acquired this vehicle and have been working on getting it back into running shape. Already we had the engine torn out and redone and put back in the car, and it's running great. And now we're tackling the interior. We've just added a new in-house interior shop, and we're really excited to be able to offer this to you guys and for all of your interior needs. So come along for the ride as we work on the interior for this SC.
let's talk seats. So for $7,500, we will redo your seats. And what is included? So this is your old foam. This is nasty. And so a lot of times, what industry standard is you just reskin it. So you shave off, I don't know, 10, 15 millimeters of that, and you reskin the seats. But the problem is this retains smells. So if you put this thing up, it's disgusting. Sam, if you smell this, it's nasty. So we buy new seat foam from Porsche. So this is all brand new OEM seat foam. So it's springy, it's got support to it. So included is that, and we also do obviously new leather, and we'll do an insert of your choice. So for $7,500, send in your old seats, they'll come back perfect. They'll have new foam, it'll be nice new bolsters, so that's the new foam here, as well as the foam on the top that he's redoing there. $7,500 shipped to your doorstep.
Hey guys, I wanted to take a little bit of a slower view of this car and all the little details you may have not noticed that have been done to it, as this vehicle is for sale, but we're trying to strike a unique balance here. Because one factor is, we want to make sure that if a potential client buys this vehicle, obviously we're known for customizing and restoring vehicles. So we don't want to make too many broad decisions because you may want to do something different. However, we're also trying to take some of the more difficult jobs and just get them done. So, case in point, the engine. This is the original engine to the car. One thing we did was we took it out, split it all the way down to the case, and revitalized every part. We may have not beautified every part though. We did do vapor blasting on key components, but other things we left a patina on it. As you can see, this hardware has a more original Survivor look. But we also have the beautified, cleaned up, beautiful intake right there, valve covers, all of that. Why I think this is important and why I think this is advantageous to anyone looking to buy one of these vehicles is because there's really two different paths you can take when you have one of these cars. You can have it be a driver or a looker. It can be both, but one of my favorite parts about a driver car is that mechanically sound. You're gonna love getting in this car, going on the road, and not having any fear. Case in point, we've got these new, beautiful Continental tires on there. Perfect road tires. One other thing that's gonna be really nice, all new carpet. So when you're in the interior, you're not gonna have all those old school smells that are all trapped in the fabrics. Maybe the past driver was a smoker and you're not. Now, it's your car. It's your decisions that can go in here. But it still has that OG, original, classic feeling. That's why I'm really excited about this car and why I think it's such a good deal, is that so many of the little details have been updated, cleaned up, made nice, but the original soul of the car is 100% still there. Case in point, we haven't painted it. Some people really want to paint their car, make it look like it just came off the showroom floor. I love a little patina. I love the fact that this car has been lived in and driven, and that if it gets driven out and maybe some unideal conditions, you're not worried that your crazy expensive paint has been all done up. On the flip side though, this is a hugely solid car. If you want to come in and make this car any color that you want, we'll respray it. Super easy. Another little detail. New rubbers, new gaskets, new taillights. It's those little details that go such a long way of making this car really, really pop in a really simple and classic way. The interior is coming together really well. We've actually got a seat hiding back there that's all wrapped up in plastic. And I think when this all comes together, this is going to be such a clean, classic, smart looking car. Definitely, again, super unique to anything that we normally do, as if you look around the rest of the shop, these are all customer cars that we've been working on, getting ready and building to spec. This car, we're building with the intent that someone's gonna buy it and want to put their mark on it. So we're really kind of dancing a delicate line of making something that is totally drivable, beautiful, perfect, awesome, but still has the potential that if you want to come back and maybe start doing some more unique touches, like this one has, the hood fuel cap, unique details, powder coating, custom interior to maybe more of your spec, custom leather, it'll have it. So I think, no, I know for a fact that this car is going to be perfect for somebody coming in looking for one of those two cars, either the perfect foundation to build their own style of SC build, or a driver's car, something that you can take out on the road, no fear, mechanically sound, and has an awesome vehicle to drive, because that's why these are so popular. These are such great driver's cars that give such good feedback and input. So I could go over a huge list of all the different things. The fact that the brakes have been refreshed, the suspension's been all checked out, the all new interior, the engine that's been completely rebuilt. All of this, all these little details add up to a really solid, awesome driver's car. I wanted to just take the chance to show it off in more detail. That way you guys got to see it at a little bit of a slower pace. I know I usually edit pretty quickly when I put these together, but again, since this is actually kind of being built with the intent that someone out there is going to take it home, I wanted to go a little slower, take a little time to show off what could be not just any car, but yours. Again, this is a little different, but I have the full breakdown of all the things that we have done or are planning to do to this vehicle. And we're just gonna do a supercut of everything because it's extensive, it's a great value. So, engine oil filter, replace and remove engine oil drain and refill, oil drain plug with gasket, oil tank sender, the hood strut, trunk strut rear engine cover, the new tires, new wiper blades, new wiper blade arm, install bumper seals, quarter panel extension to body seals, new mirror switch cap, new door lock knob, replace the tail light lenses and seals, remove the fog lights and reinstall them after powder coating, new fog light lenses, new fog light housing and mountings, remove and replace engine pad and seals, engine and trans, new shift rod seal, new crankshaft rear seal, new clutch cable, heater hose blower, new drive belt, a new air cleaner element, new air filter, alternator drive belt, AC compressor drive belt. This goes on and on. axle shaft boots, CV joint gasket, remove and replace spark plug and ignition wires with a new ignition wire set and plugs, a new distributor cap, a new distributor rotor, new valve cover gasket set, new hot air ducting, new O-rings, new timing guide rails, new distributor O-rings, new hose clamps, new engine harness. Where else does this keep going? New motor mounts, new engine mount washers, new piston ring set, cylinder head gasket set, chain tensioner update kit, new shifter component, new shifter bushing, shift dropper coupling, shift rod couplings, new fuel injection seals, clean undercarriage and vehicle bay of engine, clean the gearbox, drill out broken studs, new flywheel, new pressure plate, new pilot bearing, new trans seal, new retaining plate, and obviously the whole new interior, along with the fact that the interior is a custom design, along with the fact that the engine was not only a split case restoration, but also we vapor blasted selected parts so that they're even more beautiful in the car. So I hope that this little aside that we just did explains just the huge scale of things that we included to make sure that this vehicle runs and operates beautifully. I think whoever's gonna get this car is gonna be very happy with it.